This little fellow's name is Bobberoo. Here you see Bobberoo posing with his favorite broom. But if you look closely, you'll see there's something wrong with this picture. You got it. The handle is snapped in half. Inquiring minds may want to know, how did Bobberoo do this? Well, one of his favorite hobbies is called, if it moves, I get to chase it. And one day, he actually caught the broom. The ensuing tug-of-war between me and he turned out to be considerably more stress than a broom handle is designed to take. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to repair this little accident and save money while you're doing it. First thing we're going to do is take our metal cutoff wheel and cut the handle on the broom side flush. Now you can go up to your handle storage area and grab an old broken handle from a previous tool. So here's the deal on this gig. If you mount a whole bunch of cardboard tubes on the ceiling of your garage, it makes perfect storage out of the way. When handles break on things such as mops and brooms, etc., etc., they usually break at the high stress point, which is usually down at the head of the broom. So don't throw it away when it breaks. Put it up here in the storage area. And wait. Okay, you've waited long enough. Let's see if we can make this old wood handle fit inside of this metal handle. The wood handle is currently too large, but we can narrow that diameter down by using a belt sander. Turn the belt sander on, turn it upside down. Since you're spinning the handle at a constant speed, the belt sander will remove material from the handle, and it'll still stay round. The goal here is to taper the wood handle down so that about a foot of it will fit inside the metal handle. Head over to your chop saw and make one cut down the center of the handle. Cut all of the wood that's inside the handle and just a little bit outside. It's time to break out your Gorilla Glue. Pry the handle apart where you cut it and apply a liberal amount of Gorilla Glue into the split. This type of glue actually expands as it's curing, and that'll help push the wood handle against the metal handle. You also want to cover the exterior part of the broom that's going to go into the metal handle. Give the glue about 5 minutes to activate using the moisture in the air, then push the wood handle into the metal handle as far as you can. And there you have it, one freshly repaired broom handle, and all it cost you was a little bit of glue. Your broom is now ready for the next game of tug-of-war. Oh yeah. Remember the part of the broom handle that wasn't attached to the broom? Make sure you put that into your storage area. The next time you break a wood-handled tool, use this broken metal handle to repair it. Well, thanks for watching.